Welcome to Hungry Turtle Code, a place to learn about programming and computer science. I'm Adrian Henry, and I'm a full-time software engineer with a deep passion for learning new things. This channel is my outlet for teaching all the things I know to people like you. Learning to code can be extremely difficult. The industry moves at such a ridiculous pace that you can spend months learning something that now just seems totally irrelevant. But of course, that's not true. Because every little thing you learn, every single project you start but you don't finish, are all building up the skills in the overall art of programming. And I'm here to help guide you through that minefield. Whether you're a total beginner or you're advanced and you've been in the industry for years, there's always things for us to learn. I'll walk you through building complete full projects from scratch, starting from totally nothing, just a blank file, and moving all the way through to a completed project that we will deploy into a production environment, whatever that may be. Full stack applications with React, Node.js, and MySQL. Small command line tools to automate things in Python. A small game engine in C++. These are the sorts of things that interest me. So of course, these are going to be the sorts of things that I create for this channel. But ultimately, I'm here to create the things that you want to see. I want this channel to be a collaborative, community-driven project. So if you just want to make simple websites for your friends and family, you want to be a full-time software engineer but have no idea where to start, you want to learn to automate things in your life with code, or you want to build amazing large-scale machine learning applications that change the world, then this is the place for you. I really believe that this is going to be extremely fun and informative for all of us. So hit that subscribe button to join the community and let's get learning.